Okay, friends, let's start with the coming week Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Now, I have been telling you guys that the monthly resistance of Nifty is the high of the March month, that is 11,433. So let's make 11,433 to be precise. Now, if you see, we are on 24th. There are hardly few days left. Hope there is no major selling and the market does not close below this monthly resistance of 11,433. If market closes above this level, I would say that the entire March month selling has been digested, and I won't be any more bearish view on the Nifty market as on today. Uh, Now let's go and see what is there in the weekly time frame. My weekly time frame says that once when we had closed above this engulfing candle, it is the high of 11,794.25, that is this week, market was some kind of bullish at that point of time itself. Uh, Now the major hurdle that we can face is the close of this particular bar, that is the closing of 12,248.25. I'll just make the line little differ, make it red. Is that the market came down, took the resistance at the same level, because this was an engulfing candle, and where the pressure started, market went down and it's almost very close to those levels. Somewhat few bullish days we might see in the coming few days, but we should be very cautious in this particular area of 12,248.2825 areas. Now you can see this area exactly where I'm talking about. An engulfing candle came on 21st January. The market had already shown some pressure, and on 13th Feb the market just crashed. uh, Currently, if we see, we are in a very tight zone with the engulfing candle out here, that is the high of 12,025.45 areas. Let's make it blue in color, so it's a daily area. Now if you see, after this major selling, the market is moving in a very, a gap up open and then very sideways, then suddenly it's opening down and taking a small support. There's small support over here in this gap, but I don't see major, market movement. The market is just moving in this area. This could be a sign of a new bullish trend, that is just a second. Yeah, it can be the sign of a new bullish trend. I'll just change the color. And a small retest, and market giving a new sign of a new movement in the market. Or there is always a or in the market. Or if we go into a lower time frame in hourly, where market is struggling, which we can literally see in this areas when market are testing, wow, one time, two, three, four, five, and this areas are very sideways. So I would rather take my new long positions only when once the market 1 hour gives a breakout, and when this resistance turns into support and gives me a nice 1 hour candle of a bullish pattern, and I would go for the next target of 12,250. If the market fails to do that, so currently we are in a sideways momentum in the market, where only stock specific markets, I mean stock specific, would only give a rally, and rest all will be, a bull trap where the false breakout may happen and you might get trapped in such kind of market. So be cautious. Right now I'm not giving you any sell side trend, because until unless our 11,433 is intact, like say on the end of the month we just have a big fall and the market closes before 31st of this month or 30th of this month below this level, and if closes above this, then the market will see a small bull run. So let the 30th March, I mean 30th of this month come, and let us see what does it show. As of now I would be stock specific bullish, and yes, the option writers would be making a lot of money in this such kind of money market, because they would be selling some 12,400 to 12,500 calls and shorting 11,400 to 11,600 puts, and might be earning the fantastic time value. So guys, be alert, because the market is in a very crucial point. Until unless this areas are not bridged with a wonderful candle like this, we can't say much what kind of days we are going to see ahead. So take care guys. And the other side of the bank nifty, what we can see is the big resistance of this bar's closing, that is 25,000. Let it be precise, let's take dot to dot rate. 25,000 166.45 levels is the weekly resistance, and we already see that this resistance had already played a wonderful area where the market had already once crashed, and it's again trying to go and test this areas. So I would hold my guns and going blind buy in bank stocks. I would let this areas to be, in weekly time frame close convincingly above, again this areas of 27,091, oh sorry, closing of 25,166.45, and then I would go for a bull rally on bank nifty with a lot of my other stocks book profit and then converting into banking stock. Now why I'm saying that this areas of let's take this low of 26,441 is important resistance, because market has given several times support in this area. If you can see, once, twice, thrice, fourth, fifth, market tried to take a little bit of support, and from there it was just one side down. So if the nifty on daily closes above this line of weekly closing, I said of uh, 25,175 what the weekly was, and if it closes above that, then the nifty will test this areas of 28,000 areas. So I am still bullish in banking sector than the nifty. So what would happen is that since I'm bullish in bank nifty, nifty won't be able to, go totally in the opposite direction for long. So it might, like if we see, it will be in a sideways movement, because nifty bank nifty won't be in an opposite direction for very long time. So nifty will be bit of sideways in this area, taking the direction from the bank nifty, and once bank nifty is able to breach this resistance convincingly, I feel nifty will also follow bank nifty and would go for this areas as targets. uh, okay friends, so these are my analysis for nifty bank nifty for the coming week. uh, Hope you would like this video, and if any feedbacks, please do let me know. Thank you.